certification logos on a dress tag can provide valuable information about the authenticity and quality of a garment. Textile supply chains can be complex with a number of stakeholders. Finished dresses are usually transported from the factory to distribution centers and retailers. Garment factory is where the dress is fully manufactured with all its components. Weaving mills interlace threads to form fabric, while knitting mills create fabric through the interlooping of yarns. Yarn is produced at spinning mills using the raw materials like cotton fibers. Before that, the raw materials are pre-processed. Farmers cultivate crops like cotton and raise animals like sheep for supplying the raw materials. Sometimes non-textile finished products also could end up in the textile supply chain. It involves processes like shaping, assembling, and finishing of non-textile raw materials. These raw materials are made by recycling the waste products. It could be the waste produced during the manufacturing processes or the waste disposed by people after consumption. Wood products can also enter the supply chain. Related food fibers and pulps are made first. Trees or wood-based resources are the raw materials in here. Wood pulp can even enter the textile supply chain through paper and board manufacturing processes. Certification is vital in the textile supply chains. Being certified under sustainable standards showcases that the garment has met certain environmental and social criteria. When it's about the raw materials, pre- and post-consumer waste can be certified under various recycling standards. RCS and GRS verify recycled content with a focus on ethical production. CCS certifies specific material claims. Recyclass assesses plastic packaging recyclability. PPRS sets plastic pollution reduction strategies. OBP certifies products made from coastal area collected materials. Agricultural raw materials like crops products can be certified under the sustainable standards like Regen Agri and Regen Organic. European and US organic standards are organic possibilities. Additionally, voluntary standards like Naturland, Bioswiss, Kraft, and Demeter are also there. Animal fibers as raw materials can be certified under responsible down, wool, alpaca, and mohair standards, which ensures the ethical practices in animal production. Forest-based raw materials can be certified under Forest Stewardship Council (FSC) and PEFC-like standards. When it's about the initial processing of raw materials, same recycling standards for the raw materials are applicable. Agriculture-based products can be additionally certified under the Global Organic Textile Standard and Organic Content Standard. For rubber-based products, Global Organic Latex Standard could be an option. Wood pulp-based fiber factories can be certified under the Verified Sustainable Viscose standard. At the levels of spinning, weaving, knitting, final garment and non-textile manufacturing stages, most of the previously shown certification standards are applicable. There are some certification standards that cover a range of aspects like environment, quality management, energy, and ethical trade practices. ISO standards ensure environmental and quality management, energy efficiency, occupational health and safety, and accurate reporting of greenhouse gas emissions. The Higg Index measures environmental and social performances in apparel. Carbon neutral balances emissions. SMETA, SLCP, WRAP, and ETI-like social certifications validate ethical practices and labor conditions. Generally, certification logos address key aspects of sustainability and may contain elements related to the content and the material used. And these provide valuable information about the environmental impact, fair labor practices, and biodegradability. Traceability and mass balance along the supply chain is secured through transaction certificate-like mechanisms. All in all, these international certifications not only build consumer confidence, but also mitigate risks and encourage a culture of responsible and sustainable business practices throughout the supply chain.